Hello everyone. In this presentation, we'll see about the basic structural modeling of UML. To understand the concepts in this presentation, as an example, we are going to define the hello class. Then we'll see the key abstractions for the hello class. After that, immediate neighbors surrounded to hello class. Then we'll see hello class inheritance hierarchy. After that, hello class packaging, and at the end we'll see about the painting mechanism. Here is the code in Java for printing the word hello in the web browser. The first statement here is to import the graphics class, which is available in the AWT package, and the AWT package is available in the Java package. After that, the next statement defines the hello class, which extends the applet class, which is available in the applet package. Here we are going to override the paint method, which has one argument of type graphics, and then by using drawstring method, the hello word is printed in the web browser. This figure shows how the hello class and its operation paint along with its implementation. The UML is not a visual programming language. It is designed to allow models to be transformed into code and to allow code to be re-engineered back into the models. The hello class uses applet class as a parent class and uses graphics class in the signature of the paint method. This figure shows these classes and their relationships to the hello class in the class diagram. Here the hollow arrowhead shows generalization from hello to applet. That is, now applet is the parent class whereas hello is the child class. Similarly, it shows the dependency relationship, that is, hello uses the graphics class. In Java, applet is the class of larger hierarchy. Tracing just the classes the applet extends and implements, you can generate another class diagram as shown in this figure. This figure shows the fact that component implements image observer interface. This is represented by the solid line from the implementation to its interface. Also, object is the parent of component. Component is the parent class of container, whereas container is the parent class of panel. Panel is the parent of applet, and applet is the parent class of hello class. To manage large collection, Java organizes its interfaces and classes in a number of different packages. The root package in Java. The root package is Java. Nested inside this package are several other packages which contain other packages, interfaces and classes. Object is in line. Panel, component and container are in the package AWT, and the class applet is in the package applet. The interface image observer is in the package image, which in turn available in AWT. This packaging in class diagram is visualized in this figure. Packages may be nested, and the dashed directed lines represent the dependencies among these packages. For example, hello depends on package java.applet and java.applet depends on the package java.awt. In the UML, instances are represented just like classes, but with their names underlined to distinguish them. This figure shows the collaboration of several objects, including one instance of the class Hello. The first three objects in this figure are anonymous, that is, they have no unique name. The hello object has a name target known by the component peer object. You can model the ordering of events using sequence diagram as shown in this figure. Here, the sequence begins by running the thread object, which in turn calls the toolkit's run operation. The toolkit object calls one of its own operations callback loop, which then calls the component peer's handle expose operation. The component peer object then calls the target's paint operation. You can model physical view using the component diagram. Each of the icon in this figure represents a UML element in the implementation view of the system. The component hello.java represents the source code for the logical class hello, so it is a file. This source code is transformed into the binary object hello.class by a Java compiler. That's the end of this presentation. Thank you.